Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Adjuster part #WPW10609578. Whirlpool Adjuster part #WPW10609578 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washers. It is an adjustable part that helps to keep the washer balanced during the spin cycle. The adjuster helps to keep the washer from vibrating and shaking excessively during the spin cycle. It also helps to reduce noise levels during the spin cycle. The adjuster is made of plastic and metal and is easy to install. It can be used with all Whirlpool washers that have a direct drive motor. This part should be replaced if it becomes worn or damaged in order to ensure proper oper. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is an adjuster for a Whirlpool washer. It is used to adjust the length of the spin cycle. It can help to reduce vibration and noise during the spin cycle, as well as improve the performance of the washer. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the top grill by unscrewing the screws located on either side of the grill. 3. Locate the evaporator fan motor and disconnect it from its wiring harness. 4. Remove the evaporator fan motor and discard it. 5. Install the new Whirlpool adjuster part #WPW10609578 in its place, making sure to connect it to its wiring harness correctly. 6. Reinstall the top grill and secure it with screws on either side of the grill. 7. Plug in your refrigerator and test that your new Whirlpool adjuster. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.